Alright, so I took the ACT in December of my junior year, and I did not meet my target score. I think I got a 30 on the math or something. Alright, so I used the official ACT practice test that I found on the website, and I also used Khan Academy to raise my ACT score. I know that's for the SAT, but it also helps for the ACT as well. And I watched your videos, and they were really helpful. I liked how you take the real test in real time with the same stress and the same nervousness that I took, and I imitated that on my exam, and that really helped me a lot. I think you went through the same process that I went through on the real test. You went in blind, you didn't see the questions, and you took the same amount of stress, and I think that really helped a lot. And I actually did good, and I got a 35 on the math. Yeah, I think with this score, I might be able to get into a good college, and I might get some good scholarships.